Join me as I challenge myself to make money from home using these AI genius hacks. Let's see if they really work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for creative ways to make money from the comfort of your own home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 5 genius ways to make money using artificial intelligence. And trust me, these ideas are easier than you think. The first way to make money is through AI-powered content creation. Whether it's writing blogs, creating social media posts, or even scripting videos like this one, AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy to AI can help you generate high-quality content fast. You can start a niche blog about travel, health, or finance, and use AI to write articles. Then monetize it through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Next up, did you know you can sell AI-generated artwork? Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 allow you to upload designs and turn them into products like mugs, posters, or apparel. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion can create unique visuals in minutes. If you enjoy helping others stay organized, consider becoming a virtual assistant. But supercharge your services with AI tools. For example, you can use tools like Notion for project management, Otter.ai for transcription, or Descript for editing audio files. Number 4 is all about teaching others. And yes, AI makes this so much easier. Use AI tools to create engaging presentations, automate video editing, and even generate quiz questions for students. Finally, my favorite method, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning commissions when people buy through your referral link. But here's where AI comes in. Tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Refs can analyze traffic patterns and optimize your campaigns. Use AI chatbots to engage visitors on your site and recommend products they'll actually want to buy. And there you have it, 5 genius ways to make money from home using AI. Remember, the key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts grow over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments which idea excites you the most. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.